Hello my dear friends, welcome to your own channel Fundamentals of Engineering. Today we are going to see some expected questions regarding time, speed, distance where the problems are based on the trains. When the train crosses a man, pole, tree and lamppost, then how to calculate the time, speed, distance that we are going to see. And same train when it crosses the bridge, dam, platform and tunnel. At that time, how to calculate the time, speed and distance that we are going to see. So friends, let's start the session. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on bell icon to get more notification. Now see the question 1. A train having a length of 120 meters moving with a speed of 144 km per hour. How much time will it take to cross an electric pole near the railway line? So through the animation we will simplify this question. Now we are having a railway line and near to this railway line there is an electric pole. Now the train which having the length of 120 meters is moved with a speed of 144 km per hour on this railway line and crosses a electric pole. So for crossing this electric pole, how much time will it require that we need to calculate. So for that, remember the concept, the distance traveled by this train, which is capital D, which is nothing but length of the train. Now we are given the length of the train, which is 120 meter. So distance we can take is 120 meters. And the speed of the train is given as 144 km per hour. Now we require the value in seconds and distance is given in meter. So we need to convert this 144 km per hour into meter per second. How we are going to convert? We are having the relation 1 km per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So by using this relation we are going to convert this. So 144 into 5 by 18. So kilometer we need to convert into meter. So numerator should be a smaller one. So 18 as to 144 and 8 into 5 that is 40 meter per second, that is got the speed. So you have to remember that all the tables to get the answer very quickly. Now we got the speed. Now we are having the formula of speed, standard formula, which is distance covered with a in stipulated time. We require to calculate the time when a train crosses the electric pole. So we can rearrange this formula. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Now we are putting the values of distance and speed in this equation. Distance is 120 meter and speed that is 40 meter per second. Now if you simplify, we got the value of time when it crosses the electric pole in 3 seconds. That is option number B. Simple, just you have to remember the concept. For that you can check the various videos regarding the train which is in the description box. Now let's move towards the next question. A train is moving with a speed of 126 km per hour. If the length of the train is given as 100 meters, now how long will it take to cross a railway platform in 110 meters? Now we are having this platform. On this platform we are having a train which is length of 100 meters which moving on this railway line with a 126 km per hour. For crossing the platform which having the length 110 meters, how much time it will take? So now it crossing the platform moving with a speed of 126 km per hour. In this case, the distance traveled by the train we have to take, which is equal to length of the train plus length of the platform. So distance travel we have to take length of the train plus length of the platform. So now values are given. Speed is 126 km per hour that we can convert into meter per second. 126 into 5 by 18. So 18 7 are 126. 7 into 5, that is 35 meter per second. That first conversion. Then length of the train, which is given as 100 meter, and length of the platform is given as 110 meter. Now the distance traveled by the relation when it cross a platform, which is nothing but length of the train, which is having 100 meter, plus length of the platform 110 meter. So we got distance, total distance traveled by the train, that is 210 meter. Now we require to calculate the time how long it will take to cross a platform to 110 meters long. So time will be distance upon speed. So distance 210 meter and time speed we got 35 meter per second. So if we simplify this, we'll get the values. So now if we are divided with 5 4s are 20 and 5 2s are 7 into 6 will get 42. So 6 seconds it will require to cross a platform which having a length of 110 meter. So we have taken the distance travel is equal to length of the train plus length of the platform. Similar type of example we are going to take. Whenever a train which is having a length of 130 meter, if it takes a 30 seconds to cross a bridge moving with a 54 km per hour, then we have to calculate the length of the bridge. So this is the train which is moving on this bridge having the length of 130 meter and it moves with a 54 km per hour. We require to calculate the length of the bridge. So here say distance traveled by this train is equal to length of the train plus length of the bridge, and here we need to calculate the length of the missing bridge. So how we are going to calculate? So we have given the length of the train as 130 meter. Now the distance traveled is equal to length of train plus length of bridge. So bridge length we need to calculate. So capital D will become 130 plus x if you consider length of the bridge missing x as x value. Now time is given as 30 seconds and speed is given as 54 km per hour. Now values are in meter and seconds. So we need to convert this 54 km per hour into meter per second. So 54 km per hour in meter per second. So numerator should be a smaller value. So 18 3s are 54, 5 into 3 that is 15 meter per second. Now we need to calculate the distance. So distance is equal to speed into time. As we know the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. We have taken the formula based on the distance. So distance capital D is 130 plus x is equal to speed we calculate in meter per second, that is 15, and time which is given as 30 seconds, 30. So we got 130 plus x, 15 3s are 45 and this 0. So 450 we got. So x will be 450 minus 130. So missing x, that is nothing but length of the bridge we got 5 minus 3 2, 4 minus 1 3. So length of the bridge will be 320 meter. So we have taken 3 types of example. So based on that, you can solve some homework questions, and if you solve it and put your answer in the comment box. Hope you like the session. If you like it, stay connected and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on bell icon to get more notification. Thank you. Thank you very much.